All right, this second part of this first lesson, we are now doing the midpoint formula, and we've got the formula, which may or may not be scary. If you break it down to what it's actually saying, it's not so bad, right? If on the midpoint, we have the x portion and the y portion, and the midpoint is just like finding the median of two things. So you add up your two x values, divide it by 2, that's your midpoint for the x, and then add up the y values, divide them by 2, and there you go. So your question will look like something like this. So I've got my x1 is 5. So x1, which is there, so there's my 5. My y1 is negative 10. So a negative 10 goes there, and make sure you watch out for those negative signs. x2 is 9. Last but not least, my y2 is negative 2. Now it's just a question of, can I add stuff up and divide their sum by 2? So if you're doing 5 plus 9 divided by 2, currently this is not going to work. This is not the same thing as doing 5 plus 9 all divided by 2, which is the same as parentheses 5 plus 9 and then divide that sum by 2. So 14 divided by 2, 7. So 7, comma, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, so minus 12 over 2 is minus 6 for my y. So final answer, negative 7, comma, negative 6. If you click on the help function in Delta Math, it will bring this up, right? It walks it through you through it step by step. x1 is 6, y1 is negative 6, x2 is negative 4, y2 is 2. Gives you the formula, you plug everything in, simplify, final answer. Now on this one, it says I got it wrong even though I said 1 comma minus 2. And then it here says your answer must be in the form of a coordinate point, aka parentheses and a comma. So even though I had all the math right, the computer said it was wrong because I didn't have parentheses. It's going to be asking for you to give the answer as a decimal. So use a calculator. There is a calculator provided in this program, I believe. I'm not seeing it from the screenshots I gave, though. It's up higher. Yeah, other than that, relatively straightforward. Good luck.